Good day guys, you are welcome to Browse Text YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable background running apps in Windows 10 if you want to stop some applications that are running in background, and this will help you to save more power on your PC as well as data, so you'll be able to control your data consumption as well as your power consumption. If some application that you didn't even grant, you are not using, they will be running in background, and this will lead to them consuming some data and some power. So especially if you allow a browser or any other application that have access to internet to run in background. So if you want to disable any application from running in background, here I'm going to show you how to do that in just few clicks. So if you want to disable any background running apps on your PC, the shortest method to do that is to go to the settings menu of your PC. Go to settings. You can also use your search box to locate settings on your PC. So once you get to the settings menu, all you have to do is to locate privacy. Locate privacy settings. Locate privacy settings. Okay, this is the privacy settings. So you click on privacy. Once you click on privacy, you'll be redirected to this page. So all you have to do is to come to this left hand side, then scroll down a little, scroll down till you see background running apps. Okay, so this background apps. Once you locate the background apps, then you click on it. Once you click on this background apps, then these are the applications that have access to run in background on my PC. You can see all these applications that I allowed to run in background. They did not have access to internet. So in case you have any other application, maybe the application that are installed on your PC are much more than mine, so all the applications that have background access will be listed in this menu. All you have to do is to go to this option, let app run in background, then turn it off. Once you turn it off, then all the applications that have access to run in background, they will be disabled. So that's all on how to disable app from running in background in your PC, especially Windows 10. So if you want to disable apps individually, you can turn it on here, then come to the list of apps that have access to run in background, then you turn it off one after the other. Maybe you have one or two apps that you used to use constantly and you want them to have access to run in background. All you have to do is to turn on the general settings here, then you come here to off the individual apps that you don't want them to run in background, then leave the one that you want to have access to run in background. I hope you understand this setting. If you have any question concerning this restricting app from running in background, you can drop it in the comment section. I will give you the best response as soon as possible. So disable if you disable an app from running in background, you do not make any changes to the app. So all that is involved here is that the apps will only have access to run when you open them, but when you did not open them, they will not have access to run in background. If there are some app here, like you have social media, one or two apps that have access to the internet and they are running in background, that means whenever you start your PC, whether you open them or you're not open them, they will be running in background, and if they have access to the internet, they will be consuming some part of your data. So as you can see the notification here, choose which apps can receive info, send notification, and stay up to date even when you are not using them. Turning background app off can help conserve power. I hope you understand this. So thanks for watching and do have a wonderful day.